So my name is Damian Valles. I'm a professor at the Ingram School of Engineering for the Electrical and Computer Engineering program. This is my research lab, the High Performing Engineering Research Group, acronym is HiPE. And what we have is different type of research that deals with computational solutions, AI, embedded systems, and augmented reality. What we want to do is that we want to implement these solutions to provide computational work for engineering projects, healthcare, and other related fields that deal with computers. One of our projects deals with the autonomous Rover unit, in where we're prototyping a unit that will go into a fire and collect data autonomously to help firefighters enhance their safety, their search and rescue, and understand the structural and environmental factors that go into it. The other project will deal with the HoloLens. We're doing a digital twin that helps us recover that rover in case it gets stuck. We use augmented reality to monitor the video feed, the temperature, environmental data, and then we control the rover via our hands and our augmented reality screen. A third project deals with the LORA wireless communication radio of data transmissions in long range. We do this so we can encrypt data for long ranges of 5 to 10 kilometers and be able to send agricultural and rural data throughout different applications that deal with farming, crops, and other places where infrastructure is actually scarce. So we want to be able to provide solutions with secure communication aspects with some computational solutions. Fourth project deals with emotion recognition. We're helping children with autism to learn how to recognize emotions via an app in mobile devices, where we introduce AI models that recognize face, speech, body, and environmental factors in order to gauge what we interpret as an emotion, and then help children with autism with an emoticon recognize those as a developmental tool. What's next for my research is to incorporate more advanced AI that deals with all these aspects of the rover, digital twin, communications, and emotion recognition. We understand that AI is advancing very quickly. We know that it can help us design and improve some of these models, the performance of the resources, and be able to take it to a leveling where it can help humankind and people in need, especially when there's an emergency, when we're dealing with emotional tools, or where we can encrypt data more securely for people who have low resources in technology for data communications.